Namaste everyone. Now this is Abhishek and you're watching Second Impression.
Let's quickly go ahead and unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5.
So we have the box here. Let's open it up and see. Okay. So here's the phone. Okay, this is a back cover. Thank you, Xiaomi. This is the phone. Here's the phone. This is how it looks. We'll come to this. Some paperwork. We have a charging cable, the adapter, then we have the SIM ejector tool. We're gonna need this. Anything else? Do we have a headphone? No headphone. Okay, let's get rid of this first.
Up front, we have a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus screen, meaning it has a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The aspect ratio is 18:9 with a screen to body ratio of 77.4%. Towards the top, there's a 5 megapixel front camera that can shoot full HD videos at 30 frames. You also get a selfie light. At the back of the phone, there's a 12 megapixel camera with a 1.25 micron pixel size and an aperture of f2.2. You can obviously shoot full HD videos at 30 frames. Besides that, you can also shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second, but your native camera app does not have that option. You'll have to take a look at a third-party app. I'm thinking Open Camera. What would you use? Let me know in the comment section. Other than that, there's a dual LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. At the top, you get a port for a 3.5mm headphone jack and an infrared blaster with which you can use your phone as a remote control for your television, air conditioner, music system, and just about anything that can be controlled with an infrared remote control. Towards the bottom, there are two speakers and a micro USB port. Now, a USB Type-C port would have been more futuristic, but you don't get that with this phone. On the left hand side of the phone, you will find the volume and the power buttons. To the right, there's the SIM tray. Let's take a look at some of the specs now. The phone runs on Android Nougat, which is layered with the MIUI version 9, which can be upgraded to MIUI version 9.5 straight out of the box. It has a Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor, which is clocked at 2 GHz, and an integrated Adreno 506 GPU. The phone has Bluetooth version 4.2, which means longer battery life and better connectivity. There are two variants of this phone, one with a 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt memory, and the other one with 3GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt memory. They come with a 4000 mAh battery and is protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass. Your color options are gold, rose gold, blue, and black. Having said that, let's have a look at how the camera performs. This is the front camera, indoors and under normal household lights. And this one is with the rear camera. This one is also through the front camera, but it's outdoors and under a really bright sun. I'm struggling to keep my eyes open there. And this is with the camera at the back.
So this is how the audio sounds and the kind of video quality you get from the front camera when it is used at its default setting with the native camera app. This is the quality from the rear camera, and now mind you, we are only using the normal household fluorescent light. Okay, now this is the video quality outdoors. We have a scorching sun right above me, and this is taken from the front camera. And this is the video quality from the rear camera, again in the same blistering sun.
Now let's take a look at what's good and what's not so good about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. 12,000 rupees with all these features is quite a bang for your buck, and the Qualcomm MSM8953 Snapdragon 625 is quite an advanced processor that offers you a faster, smoother interface. But is the phone snappier only while it's new? We will have to wait and see. You get a rich graphics experience, especially when it comes to CPU intensive games. This also gives you a much longer battery life. The screen is full HD plus and is big at 5.99 inches, giving you an 18:9 aspect ratio. And it also has a good build quality. On the hindsight though, the front camera ain't that great. So if you are a selfie buff, this ain't for you. You can charge your phone 40% faster than conventional chargers, but this is quick charge 1, not quick charge 2. I'm a little unsure about why we still have the micro USB charger around in 2018. While the gross 64GB inbuilt memory or the net 54GB inbuilt memory should be sufficient for a lot of people, the hybrid SIM tray might cause a little discomfort for you if you want to use an external micro SD card and 2 SIMs at the same time. All said and done, this phone is almost identical to its predecessor, the Redmi Note 4. The only difference is that this phone has a larger screen size and a battery that is slightly smaller than the Redmi Note 4. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Would really appreciate if you liked and shared it as well. Write to me on the comment section. This is Abhishek from Second Impression. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.